Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up and connect to AWS EC2 instance for Fedora 42. First connect to AWS Management Console, then click on the services and click on compute, then click on EC2 or just go to the search box and search for EC2. Then click on EC2. See here instances running in this region are 0. Okay, and to create instance you have to click on launch instances or go to instances running. But you must select the region in which region you want to create EC2 instance. Okay, I always strongly recommend select the region that is near to your current location. Okay, so I'm going to create EC2 instance in this North Virginia US East 1. Okay, then click on instances, then launch instance, then provide the name Fed EC 42 EC2. Name can be anything. Then we have to select the AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. See here we don't have Fedora, but click on browse more AMIs, then search for Fedora. Hit enter. See in quick start we don't have, but go to marketplace. See here we have the Fedora 41, just directly search for Fedora 42. See here we have the Fedora 42. See here we have only one, that is in AWS marketplace AMIs. So select it. See here typical total cost per hour is this one. The charges are based on the usage. Okay, if you want you can select. See here usage information, pricing details. If you go to here, see these are the pricing information. Then you have to click on subscribe and launch or subscribe now. Select subscribe now. See now it is loading information about Fedora 42. Wait a moment. See it has selected Fedora 42 and it is Fedora cloud based Amazon EC2 and this is the version number. Okay, see here description Fedora 42. Okay, see by default it has selected T3 micro as the instance type or virtual server type. It is going to create new security group and the default volume it has selected 5 GB. But go to instance type. I want to select T3.small. You can select. See these are free trial eligible. Okay, based on your requirement you have to select like number of CPUs and memory. Okay, next key pair, that is login. See here you can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to the selected key pair before you launch the instance. Then see here we don't have any key pairs, so click on create key pair. Then we have to provide the name for the key pair. I'm giving same name as like EC2 instance. Then key pair type. See here we have the two options. I'm going with RSA and private file formats. We have the two options, .pem and .ppk. .pem for use with OpenSSH, .ppk for use with PuTTY. Okay, so once we click on create key pair, it will download this .pem file. Click on create key pair. See successfully downloaded. Now go to network settings. See I don't have any network information. Click on edit. See I don't have any VPCs. Right click on this, create a new VPC and select open link new tab, or go to the search box and search for VPC. Then right click on this VPC, open link in new tab, close this one. Then see I don't have any VPCs running in this same region. You must select the region same like as this one. Okay, so I'm on the same region. Then click on create VPC. See I'm not going to change any of these options, just I want to create the VPC. Click on create VPC. See VPC is created. Now go to here, then reload this one. See VPC is populated. Then subnets, reload this one. See here we have these subnets. I'm going to select public subnet. Then auto assign public IP enable. Then firewall or security group. If you want to use the existing one, you have to select this radio button. See once we selected, see here the options are changing. Okay, so I want to create new security group. I'm going to keep this name as like this only. Then description I'm not going to provide. Inbound security group roles. See by default it has added 22. Then configure storage. By default it has selected 5 gigabytes. I'm going to increase it to 30 gigabytes. Okay, see here, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of AWS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage. If you want to add additional storage, click on add new volume, then you have to provide the volume. Okay, so based on the size, charges will increase. Okay, for this demo purpose, all I am going with minimal. Okay, then advanced details, scroll down, you have a domain directory. You can select from this list. I don't have anything. Or if you want to create new directory, click on here. And if you want to assign IAM instance profile, you have to select from the drop down. The same way, if you want, if you don't have, you can create a new IAM profile. Host name, type, I'm going with IP name, then DNS host name, enable resource based IPv4 DNS requests. Then the remaining options you can provide. Later also you can select these remaining options, select as per your requirement. And last option, if you want to provide any custom data or user profile or upload a file, you can select this. Okay, review the settings one more time, then click on launch instance. Wait a moment, it is subscribing to marketplace AMI. This will take a while. Also see here the warning, do not close your browser while your instance is being launched. Also see here, this is taking longer than expected. Subscription usually takes less than 30 seconds, but in rare cases AMI subscription can take up to an hour. See, successfully completed this subscription. Then click on instance ID. It has opened new tab. See here the information or the summary of the instance: public DNS name, private IPv4 DNS addresses, public IPv4, private IPv4, public DNS, private DNS, and instance state. It is running. If it is not running, you have to wait until the state to be changed to running. And this is the VPC ID, elastic IP address. We don't have anything. Okay, so scroll down. See here we have the details about the AMI, monitoring information, status and alarms, monitoring, security, networking, storage and tags. Okay, and see here we have 3 options. We will see one by one. First, connect, instance state and actions. Click on connect. See here we have the 4 options: EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client and EC2 serial console. You can connect by using this SSH client. Click on this copy button to copy this command, SSH command. Okay, now open CMD if you are on Windows, open terminal if you are on Linux or macOS. Okay, I am on Windows, open CMD, then go to where that FEM file is there, because this command is accessing FEM file. Okay, so FEM file is there in downloads, but if you copied it to some other directory, go to that directory, then run that command. See, I have FEM file, so paste that command here, that is SSH command, hit enter, type S and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected, and this is the username and this is the local IP or private IP of this machine. Now verify the version that we have connected. More /etc os-release. See, we have connected to Fedora Linux 42 and this is the cloud version. Okay, so Ctrl L to clear screen. Now the first step after connecting to Fedora Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter, type and hit enter, again type and hit enter. Okay, this is the way to connect. Now go to this instance ID. See here, this one is completed. Next instance state. See, you are able to click on stop instance, reboot instance and terminate instance, because instance is running, so no need to start or hibernate instance. So these options are grayed out. Okay, if you want to stop, click on stop, and if you want to reboot this Fedora Linux 42 EC2 instance, click on here. If you want to delete permanently, you have to click on here. Okay, then actions. See here we have the instance diagnostics, instance settings. See here we have all these options. If you want to configure any one of them, you can configure. Then networking. See, if you want to connect RDS or manage IP addresses, disassociate elastic IP addresses, etc. Okay, template information, then monitoring information. Okay, so here, go to here, still it is running. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create and connect to AWS EC2 instance for Fedora 42. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.